Yesterday, we talked about the Fidelity US Dividend ETF. Today, I'm going to share the third and final index fund on my list, the Fidelity Global Equity ETF, FGILX. The Fidelity Global Equity ETF invests in stocks from all over the world. This includes stocks from the United States, Europe, Asia, and emerging markets. FGILX has a low minimum investment of $10 and an expense ratio of just 0.08%. This means that for every $10,000 you invest in FGILX, you'll only pay $8 in fees per year. FGILX is a good investment for long-term investors because it provides a way to diversify their investments across different countries and regions. This can help to reduce risk and improve returns over the long term. Tune in tomorrow for my full video on 3 index funds to hold for life.